In this video, we will be showing you how to make money in GTA 5 Online. This money can be used to purchase fast supercars or take over new businesses, all of which make your character stronger. For beginner players, you can play various jobs like contact missions, races, adversary modes, and survivals by navigating to the pause menu, selecting the online tab, and choosing any activity of your liking. Once you've saved up a bit of cash, you can explore some other intermediate ways of making money. For example, you can become an executive with your own CEO office to sell vehicle cargo and special cargo, complete VIP and CEO work, or even try out special vehicle work missions. To become a CEO, acquire your office via your in-game phone by accessing the internet app, then visiting the Dynasty 8 executive website. Or perhaps you'll want to roam the open worlds as a biker. To embark on this journey, acquire a clubhouse through Maze Bank Foreclosures website on your phone. From there, you can operate 5 illicit businesses, which all will make you rich. Maybe you'd even be interested in becoming a nightclub owner. You can choose from 10 different nightclub locations on the Maze Bank Foreclosures website. Beneath this nightclub is where you can use technicians to passively accrue additional goods from your biker, executive, or gun running businesses as well. Lastly, if you want intense action, check out the several heists that GTA 5 Online offers. A high-end apartment that features a planning room is necessary to start these heists. You can purchase your own apartment from the Dynasty 8 website on your in-game phone. There are other heists you can participate in at the Diamond Casino or on the tropical island of Cayo Perico, but for now, use the previous methods of making money before you try those out because of the increased difficulty in completing these heists. You're going to want plenty of cash to spend on equipment and cars before attempting a run at these endgame heists. Once you're making money in GTA 5 Online, you're going to want to transfer it to your bank account. To do this, access your in-game phone, visit the Internet tab, select Money and Services under the search bar, scroll down to the Maze Bank website, head to the main menu, and choose whether you would like to make a deposit or a withdrawal. While all these methods will make you money in GTA 5 Online, keep an eye out on the Rockstar Games newswire to see what weekly events are currently active. Rockstar Games rotates in money bonuses weekly on all the activities you can play in GTA 5 Online, so you can use those to make even more money as well.